you go.
Here we are, Luke's picking out his first Christmas tree.
Good job.
We picked the day after a winter storm to do it. So now we have to dust our trees off. Poor Bubs. Luke! Luke! Aww. Dust off the tree. This one's your size. Look. Help him with that one.
There you go.
Dust it off.
Good job. He's all over me.
A little 2-footer just for Luke.
Almost what's left of a star.
There's Daddy's star.
It's pint-sized just like you, Luke. Alright, so do we want to